everyone, welcome to securityinbits.com. Today we will be looking into PowerShell, like how to de-obfuscate and extract the CNC from the PowerShell, and we will be using the same sample as mentioned in this article. I have also provided the link here, so you can download from this link, and we will using the doc mentioned in this zip. But before proceeding, I will highly recommend you to go through this article. In this, I have shown how to deobfuscate the macro and how to extract the malicious command from the macro. So this tutorial is the next part of that tutorial. So for this one, we will go through some of the PowerShell concepts. So you can see this is the malicious command which contain PowerShell. So we will try to deobfuscate this one, and let's see how. Close this one. So before we start, these are some of the basic concept. So for declaring a variable, we just need a dollar sign. So dollar URL equal to this one. So we have declared a variable with the name URL. And the second one is download file. Like the lots of the malware uses PowerShell to just download the file and execute them. So this PowerShell is also doing the same thing. So it's using a download file function. The parameter is like the URL and the output path. And the third one is invoke item. So this command is used to start the exe downloaded from Emotet CNC. So when the download is complete, it tries to execute that exe using invoke item. So we'll be looking into this one also. So next stuff is invoke expression or IEX. So IEX is a alias of invoke expression. So you can use either of them. Like for this example, you can see the command equal to get process, and when we dollar command doesn't execute, we just get a variable value. But when we run with IEX dollar command, it executes that command, that is get process. You can find more details in the MSDN link. You can follow this one. Okay, and the next stuff is there are some obfuscation technique used in this PowerShell. One of them is using this tilde or escape character. So whenever this character is found in front of character, it is ignored whenever we run the PowerShell using command.exe. So you can see this one, download tilde, lo tilde. So these are the character which are ignored when we run PowerShell from cmd.exe. The next one is IEX. So this is used for invoking the PowerShell command. So you can see this one is using environment comsec 4625 dash join. We will check this further in this tutorial. And the strings are concatenated using plus sign. So this one is very common technique to reduce the readability of the code. We'll going through this one also. And then some of the strings are encoded with ASCII, like example cat 34 means double quotes. And there are some other more like replacing garbage character. We will look into this one in our demo. Let's start. So I've already downloaded the doc. Let's open this doc. So you can see the macro is not enabled. Go to word option. Customize now popular. So developer tab. Okay. Or you can use Alt F11. Go to the macro. Click edit. So we know this is the malicious command which is executed. We have already discussed this one in the previous tutorial. So let's copy this one. Comment this line. So we will print this statement using debug.print. This one is not needed. Control S, save the macro. Now we will restart the word with the macro enable. trust center setting, enable all macro, click OK. So we'll just start this talk. So the macro is already executed. View, go to view, immediate window. So we can see the commands are already printed. So I'll copy this one, Control C, and paste in our Notepad++. You can use any text editor. Enable word wrap. So this is our malicious code which is executed by that macro when you enable the macro. Let's press enter. So this one is closed and this one, so just a little bit and press enter. Yeah. So this is the main PowerShell command which is executed. We'll see how we can de-obfuscate this one. So I have already opened a PowerShell window. Let's see, let's check what does this do. This means. So our objective is to de-obfuscate this PowerShell and extract the CNC. Let's copy this one. Yeah. So you can see this means IEX, invoke expression. So this command is used for invoking the command followed by this one. So it is trying to invoke all this PowerShell command. As you can see, this one is just a simple concatenation. Is concatenating multiple items, HTTP, Lian. Let's see what is the output of this one. We'll copy this line. We'll save this one using some variable str equal to paste. Yeah. Press enter. Let's see what is this one after concatenation. Okay, so now you can see the code little much better than the previous one. Let's copy this one in our Notepad++. Yeah. Now you can see some of the command, something random colon something. Let's replace this semicolon with our new line so it will be much better to see what's going on. Declare expression. So now you can see some random function system.net web client, something here dot next. You can see some split, but the code is still not completely obfuscated. You can see some of the junk code G336 and something. Let's remove this one also. So you can see this one is calling hyphen replace. Let's run this one. So it replaces this 0M1 string with char96. So you can check what does char96 mean. Just type it here as a tilde sign. Yeah, so this one you can see the replace. What is the next command? Add space here, space. Let's copy this one. Control C. Press enter. Now you place some more character like G36. You can see the G36 is removed by double quotes. Let's go further. Let's run. So now you can see I have executed the complete command str dash replace character replaced by this one dash replace. I've copied all of them in one go and executed this one. So I copy all of them in this one go. Executed this one. Let's copy the output. Enable this quick edit more easy to copy. So everything is copied. Control V. So yeah, now you can see that everything is copied. You'll delete this one, not needed. Just concentrate on the PowerShell part. Control F. Press the semicolon with the new line. Replace all. So after replacing the semicolon with the new line, you can see the complete PowerShell script. We'll go through it. What it's trying to do. Okay. Okay. The first line is just using a random function. So random function is used when for generating a exe name. So it uses the random function dot next from 10,000 to this number. So it will generate a exe name maybe 10,001.exe. So it just generating a random exe name. So now you can see this is the CNC which is splitted by add sign. Let's see what does it mean. This is the one line. Just copy this one in our PowerShell. Enter. Just here we echo this variable adcx. So now you can see all the CNC 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So there are 5 CNC for this emoted doc. Generally there are generally 4 or 5 CNC for the doc I have seen. And all of them respond with the same exe. But sometimes they respond with the different exe. So now we have extracted the CNC from the PowerShell script. Let's see what it does next. So you can see the for loops is trying to use the download file function to download the exe from the URL and saving to the stc variable. So it's saving into environment public. Environment public. So this is our public path. C user public. So it's downloading the exe there and trying to execute using invoke item. So now you can understand the complete PowerShell script. So this is the previous one. You can see it's quite messy. And after clearing up, this is the final one. Oh yeah, before going, no, this one is just setting different variable for generating a PowerShell string. So you can see this OWESHEL. Cell. So it's generating a PowerShell string using this all environment variable and executing this command. So you can see this PowerShell. So now we have de-executed the PowerShell command. So now it's very easy for us to extract the CNC, and we can see what's going inside the PowerShell script. So that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time. Thanks.